Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe 2.0. Yes guys, it's finally that time where I give you guys that coverage for Pepe 2.0 that everyone is asking for. As you guys know, I'm quite hesitant when it comes to making updates about newly launched projects, but due to the overwhelming support and the amounts of requests that's coming in to make an update for Pepe 2.0, I was like, this is the perfect time to give you guys what you need. So continue supporting and I will continue bringing updates that you guys want to see. So before we get into the good old analysis, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price right now, about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 73880. It's up about 77% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and it's also up 85% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours, which is quite impressive. It's overall, 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $14.6 million, and the current market cap as of now is at around $30 million. So if you guys are not aware, this project launched just almost a week ago, and it saw a massive retracement over the weekend, but it's starting to make some massive upside as we started this new week. So is this really potentially going to be able to see some massive gains? That's what we're going to discuss right now. I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys, and at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. This is literally dedicated for the people that have been requesting it like crazy. So we're going to look at their website first. So what are they really doing? What is their motive? How are they marketing themselves? So it says, welcome to Pepe 2.0. Missed Pepe, here is your second chance. And you can see this for yourself. About Pepe. Pepe knows he made a mistake in the past, blacklisting some investors, launching on the weekend when you were spending time with your family and friends. He wants to make things right and redo his billion-dollar run. He's a new version of himself. He is now Pepe 2.0. So basically, from what I'm understanding, is that they are marketing in a way that this is going to be another version of Pepe, the original one. And can it take that Pepe spot? I'm going to give you guys my personal thoughts on that till the end, so you do want to watch this video till the end. I'm not going to get into that literally till the end. So looking at their Twitter though, they have been suspended. So we can't really look at their Twitter, but Twitter brings in a massive amount of engagement. So we do need to see, in my opinion, this account to be unsuspended as soon as possible, because this can really affect the smart money. They will take a look at this, and they probably will not like it if this is not fixed in the next week or so. And I'm giving you guys a quick heads up on that. Twitter is massive. It's a huge thing when it comes to cryptocurrency. So in my opinion, this needs to be fixed. But if we're looking at their Ether scan, this is looking really impressive. 11,200 holders for a project that has not even been in the space for over a week. And I've told you guys this in my Mill Lady update. If you watch the ladies update, that we're starting to see, and I've been tracking some wallets that were selling their ladies. And what they're doing is they're reverting it to Pepe 2.0. Is this a good thing to do? Who knows? People have their own ideas. People have their own way of thinking. Everyone has their own way to however they want to trade. But I don't like how you would just lose your patience all of a sudden and just go chase that latest green coin that's going absolutely insane. But I understand it from the angle that how they are literally promoting themselves. I saw this project when it originally launched. Like I said, I did not give the update right off the bat. Wanted to see how things kind of played out. But what happened was, that they are, marketing themselves as like the new Pepe. So if you missed the original Pepe, you have another chance. And that's what we're going to discuss, whether or not that chance really does exist. And if we're looking at the Google Trends, on the other hand, we're seeing a massive upside in terms of searches. Obviously, we hit an all-time high of searches back on just the 29th when it originally launched, but we're seeing a massive uptick occurring right now, because we are seeing Pepe 2.0 breaking out right now. So that's what we're going to talk about in this update. So as of recording this video, guys, Pepe is Pepe 2.0 is currently sitting at $32.6 million market cap. That is huge. That is quite impressive. And, let's take a further look into it as to what really is happening. So look at this, guys. So we're seeing, like I said, during the weekend, we saw a massive sell-off. So let me bring it out to you guys. So how this coin really started was it saw an insane move towards the upside. Obviously, they need to update their overall what do you want to call it, trading view, but basically what we're seeing happening right now here is look at this massive upside, and some people again became millionaires off of this. Literally some people became millionaires off of this. We saw a market cap of about $50 million just, I believe, the 29th of June, or when it was launched. And we did see some exchanges come in listed. Speaking about exchanges, that's totally something I forgot to mention to you guys. So MEXC, of course, BitGet, CoinX, but we're still missing like some of the big names, like obviously KuCoin and stuff like that. But can they really come in now, because they're seeing so much momentum building up for this project? Because remember, all these exchanges work against one another, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about this right now, what I want to really show you guys. So after it, saw a massive sell-off, literally on June 29th, profit taking happened, manipulation occurs as well. And the people obviously that bought in early, they're going to take in profit. So kudos to them for locking in profits, which I literally tell everyone to do. And imagine the people that locked in profits and you picked it up around here, you did see a 2x around this range. But on June 30th, we saw a top at this 8692 cents mark and saw a massive retracement. So from a $35 million market cap where we're almost at right now, we saw the market cap for this project go down below $10 million, literally. And look at this insane recovery though. That is something that is speaking to me right now. This insane recovery is building up so much momentum, and not only momentum, I've seen literally my comments flooded with Pepe 2.0 updates. Like everyone wants me to cover it. So right now, this has done literally in a matter of, you can say, 2 days. If you picked it up around this range, you got really lucky, because you are already up, I think, 2x. No, sorry, 3x. You're up 3x your money if you picked it up around this range in just 2 days. So obviously around here during the sell-off, people probably thought this project is about to rug, but kudos to the community for really sticking around. But we don't really know as to what really is happening. I haven't really checked their Telegram as of now, so you guys can fill me in on that. But I see the narrative. I see why it's getting so hyped up. And, the new money that's coming into the space, they are thinking that, this potentially could be that next Pepe. Remember, Pepe has literally taken this market. The actual Pepe has taken this market by storm. Everyone is talking about it, as you may know. And people are comparing it to the original Pepe. And that's what everyone is waiting for to hear. Could this be the next Pepe? In my opinion, there's only one Pepe. That's all. End of story. There is only one Pepe, and that is going to be the original dog, which is already at that top frog, not dog, I'm sorry, which is at the top 65 spot. But we've seen in the previous cycles, some other alternatives really pop off. But can I see it having a massive success long haul? Short term, sure. Short term, this could pull some massive gains. And speaking about massive gains, if you guys want me to make more coverage on Pepe 2.0, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know. Now, on this video, be like, yes, Crypto ZX, we want to see more Pepe 2.0 updates, and I will bring you guys just that. But at the end of the day, when it comes from an exchange point of view, I'm just thinking of me as being the person that lists, these coins. Why would you have 2 coins listed on the exchange? You know what I mean? So Pepe, I think, is already made a statement for itself. It has that first mover advantage for this cycle, and I think it is going to be the one that has majority of the momentum for itself. But this one, I think, still has a lot of steam left for itself, especially now that the narrative is so strong. People are talking about it like crazy. It's on the verge of breaking out and hitting a new all-time high. We could see some more exchanges coming in. Maybe some exchanges were already buying. Maybe there was exchanges that are causing this to really happen. But like I said, all these exchanges work against one another, so they will see the opportunity. If the volume is going insane, a lot of people are talking, they will come and list this, and I think that could be in the books. But right now, to everyone that picked it up on July the 2nd, I'm giving you guys a massive heads up. Don't forget to lock some profits in. I know you guys have made that mistake before. I'm sure everyone has made that mistake before, but don't let this one be that mistake. I'm telling you, lock those profits in before someone else comes and do so. I'm sure everyone was thinking, we're about to see a new all-time high just back on June 30th, and we saw the price really tank really fast. And remember, these projects with low cap market caps, $30 million market caps, they can go down really fast. So that's one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. But I could see this project hitting an all-time high. If we break out of this level of resistance, we could be potentially hitting an all-time high at 50 million. And if we hear some more positive news coming out of here, this could even head to $100 million market cap. And again, that's my own personal opinion, not financial advice. Remember, at the end of the day, this is a meme coin. You guys know how I treat meme coins. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in meme coins, and always invest where you can afford to lose. The example that I give everyone is that if you're okay to lose $100, invest half of that still. That's how risky this meme coin market is, because even if you were to invest half of what you can afford to lose, even then you can make some massive gains if you pick the right coin. If not, if things don't go your way, guess what? You're not too worried or kicking yourself about that. And see this for yourself. We've seen this fluctuation happening, seen a little bit of a retracement right now live, and that should tell you that this is something where you need to be locking in profits. I cannot stress this enough. But like I said, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Do I think it's going to take over Pepe? No. I'm sorry, but it won't take over Pepe. It could be its little brother, but I don't see the potential of all these massive exchanges like Coinbase coming out, Binance coming out and listing both. Maybe other exchanges will list this, but Coinbase, Binance, I don't think so, will list Pepe 2.0, but that does not mean it can't be successful. We've seen projects that have been listed not on Binance and Coinbase that did really good. Some hit $200 to even $300 million market cap. So we need to keep those factors in mind. But you need to have a risk measure in place. Lock those profits in on your way up. But that is my overall outlook on this right now. But yes, the question of the hour: can this be the next Pepe? I'm sorry, there's only one Pepe, and that is the original Pepe. But, I'm not hating on the project. I like the momentum, and momentum speaks for itself. But we will see as time goes by. Do not forget to lock those profits in, guys. I cannot stress that enough. And let me know if you guys want to see more updates on Pepe 2.0. So yeah, that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow up in crypto, ZX, and peace out.